In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up SMS marketing on Shopify using OmniSend. We'll walk through the full process of creating and sending an SMS campaign step by step so you can confidently start reaching your customers via text. First, head over to your OmniSend dashboard. Make sure you're logged into the same account that's connected to your Shopify store. The dashboard is your central hub where you can see overall performance. But for now, we're going straight into campaigns. On the left-hand side, look for the icon that represents campaigns. It usually looks like an email or a paper plane. Click on that. This will open your campaigns area where all your past and current campaigns are listed. Next, click on View All Campaign Types. By default, OmniSend may show only email campaigns. So this option lets you see everything that's available, including SMS. From here, choose Create SMS. This tells OmniSend that you're building a text message campaign instead of an email. You'll now be taken into the SMS campaign setup screen. Start by typing in a campaign name. This name is internal only, so your customers will never see it. Use something descriptive, like Summer Sale SMS Existing Customers, so it's easy to recognize later when you're checking reports. Now, type in your message text. Keep in mind that SMS has character limits and you want to be clear and direct. Include your offer or announcement, a simple call to action, and a link to your Shopify store if needed. Try to keep it concise but informative and make sure it's aligned with your brand voice. If you want to make your message more engaging, you can add an image or GIF. To do this, click on Select File, then choose the file from your computer. Just remember that MMS messages can sometimes cost more and may behave differently depending on your customer's carriers. Next, look at your unsubscribe settings. This part is crucial for compliance and customer trust. Here you can decide on the opt-out text and edit the unsubscribe link if needed. Make sure it's very clear how someone can stop receiving messages from you. When your content looks good, click on Next Step. Now you'll choose who you're sending this SMS to. You can select your whole list or specific segments, such as recent buyers or abandoned cart customers. Once you've chosen your audience, click Next Step again. On the next screen, you have the option to send a test message. This is a great way to preview exactly what your customers will see and check for typos or broken links. If everything looks good and you're ready, click on Review Campaign. Finally, you'll be asked to schedule the send. You can choose to send it immediately or pick a specific date and time that makes sense for your audience. Once you confirm the schedule, your SMS campaign